When a customer came in with a check engine light on, I started by connecting a scan tool to identify the issue. The diagnostic scan revealed code P0430 Catalyst System Efficiency below threshold, Bank 2. This code typically points to a problem with the catalytic converter, but I needed to be sure. To investigate further, I monitored live data from the oxygen sensors while the engine was idling and at 2500 RPM. I noticed that the downstream oxygen sensor, B1S2, and the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1, were showing identical voltage readings, both fluctuating between 0.0 and 1.0 volts. Normally, the downstream sensor should show a more stable reading if the catalytic converter is functioning properly. These identical signals indicated that the catalytic converter on Bank 1 was not storing oxygen as it should, which is a clear sign of an internal fault. Next, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the temperatures at the inlet and outlet of the catalytic converter. The inlet temperature was higher than the outlet temperature, confirming that the converter wasn't working efficiently to process exhaust gases. This verified that the catalytic converter on Bank 1 was the root of the problem. Once I confirmed the diagnosis, I replaced the faulty catalytic converter. After installing the new part, I cleared the error codes and took the vehicle for a road test to ensure everything was working as expected. The check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned, which meant the issue was successfully resolved. This repair highlights the importance of using diagnostic tools and systematic testing to pinpoint problems accurately. If you're experiencing a similar issue, this approach might help you understand and solve it effectively.